If you're single and looking for love, or heck, if you just want to get a date, then this might be the website for you. There's a website over here called photofeeler.com. And what you can do is upload a dating profile photo of yourself, and you can actually get rated by strangers who will indicate if it looks smart or if your photo looks trustworthy and attractive. There's actually a science to attractiveness. And as sad as that might be, the world does reward good-looking people and good-looking photos. So you want to put your best foot forward, put your best photo forward. I'm going to show you how in this video. This is a free website, and I'm just logged in here to photofeeler, and then I'm going to go here to test my photos down at the bottom. Okay, and we can see here my hunky artificial intelligence man here has 7 votes, and we can see for smart, he doesn't look too smart, he's 6.6. Trustworthy, oh, he looks a little bit shady here, 5.7. But hey, attractive, 9.2. People love Mr. Stubble here. So I do want to point out this is only 7 votes, and so this may not be super reliable just yet. As you can see here, it says 7 votes. Quality is unreliable. You probably need some more votes, a couple hundred, to see if the general public wants to date Mr. Hunk here. And we'll see here there's a couple notes. It says, I would date them. Looks like AI or too heavily photoshopped. Oh, this person's on to me here. Yes, this is an AI photo. But it's a good point though, right? If you're making photos of yourself, you might not want to be too heavy with the Photoshop filter because it may look a little plasticky or a little AI. I do want to point out as well, down at the bottom of the website, there's some FAQs, and there's also some photo tips here, which I actually would encourage you to check it out. Angles, photo tips, lighting, and of course your attitude in these photos. These are all really important things. So for example, here I'll click on angles, and there's a blog here that talks about how angles work when you're taking photos. So if you're kind of a science person, or if you really enjoy this sort of thing from an analytical perspective, these can be really easy, fun ways for you to quickly improve your attractiveness in photos. Now, if you have the free account like I do here, then one of the ways that you can get more photos uploaded is you can vote, and you can add what they call karma scores. So the more voting you do on other people's photos, then the more points you get, and then ultimately the more you can spend on uploading more photos. Okay, so this is the vote page. Now this picture that I've put here is a fake photo. It's not on the actual website. It's an AI photo. I've obviously masked the real photos because I don't want to out anybody here in real life. What you would do now is select this smart, trustworthy, and attractive, and you can rate them. And then you can leave a note in here as well. And there's quick notes down here as well, or you can select a custom note. So if you're into this sort of thing, great. If not, no worries. This is a way for people who are struggling online to see, is there something I can do to increase my chances of getting a date? Because maybe I'm a wonderful human being, but I don't show so well in the photos. Maybe my angles are weird, my lighting's weird. So this can be a great option for some people. I hope you found this video helpful. I wish you luck in the dating world or whatever world you're in. Here's another video that's fun and free.